Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to give you one of the best websites that is an alternative to Canva. Canva has a lot of templates, yes, but we still have more websites that do the same work that Canva. Is that okay? So this one, the name of the website is called Polotno.com, or you can go to www.studio.polotno.com. Is that okay, to bring you exactly here? Once you read, it will not bring you exactly here. You will register with your email now, just normal registration, then it will bring you exactly here. You can see that here you can start editing. Is that okay? Now you can edit a video, you can edit image, and you can get a lot of templates. Now let me walk you through it in a very short time here. Now let's click on templates. You can see that there are a lot of templates here. You can search for anything that you want, just the way you search on Canva. Can search for anything you want, but I want you to toggle this off if you want to get maximum template result. So, okay, let's say for example, and I click on YouTube, for example, I click on okay, and that's, let's say I want something under YouTube. I click on okay, and you can see that all these things here are templates for YouTube. You know, YouTube is like this, so they are bringing templates that are for that size, all of this like this. So let's say I want graphic designing. All right, for example, I want graphic designs. All right, I click on okay, and then you can see let me toggle this off, toggle this on. There are no more designs on graphic design, so let me say I type real estate. All right, real estate, and click on okay, and you can see there are a lot of templates here. I think we have these templates on Canva. I've seen these templates on Canva before, so there are a lot of them here. Right, so you can see this one, you can click on this one, can replace it with this one. All you have to do is replace this. You know, they are templates now. So Dennis, and then Dennis Estate, let's say good. I'm just typing anything, just not that one. You want to bring in a new picture, why not click on this picture like this, and then you can now see, you can even flip it just the way we do from Canva. Can flip it, all right, can flip it, all right, can flip it like this. Is that okay? Now if you want to replace this particular image, all you have to do is you can delete it. For example, you can delete it, click on delete from your keyboard, or you click on this delete here if it's there, and then you come here to import. You can click on import. You can import Polotno project, a PDF, and SVG, and the templates. Just upload this particular one, and it will bring in a profile, sorry, a picture or whatever you want to upload. Is that okay? So let's say you want to upload something, now we can click it and upload something to it. Is that okay? Now you can resize this thing by clicking here. You can see more layers of what this thing is all about. Their pictures are called SVG, not PNG or JPG, so you have to take note of that. So you can resize all of this just the way you can see here. You can resize. So let's say for example I hold this like this and bring it up. I hold this from this and bring it down. This Dennis was supposed to replace here. That's why the layer is here. You can readjust anything from here. Let's say I click on this. Are you seeing that? That's like I click on this. Are you seeing? If I want to delete it, I can delete it from here, from the layer output. Now for the background, let's say I need a different thing for the background. I can just choose this and the background has changed, or I can just choose the color and the background has changed. Just the way you use Canva, this is just the best website. All right, so I come to draw, you can draw things as well, and then for videos you can even use it to download edit videos like I told you. Different videos. There are videos here that are even more beautiful than the one I see in Canva. That's the truth about it. And then so from here, this is the text layout. If you want this text to carry, let's say this kind of style, you can put it on this, and you can see that it's here. If I want to edit it, I can just edit it and put Dennis, and then I just click on this one again and I put Dennis, or anything you want, just put it there. All right, so that's that for that. And let's scroll up. You can see under assets, there are a lot of assets, different assets here. Under videos asset, icons asset, shapes asset, there are a lot of these. If you want to upload, can click here, upload every of your assets, let them be here. Is that okay? Just want to use this, it has already been here, and then you can just resize it and then bring it here. Try to do your design if you want it. So you return it to template, and you can see that we have a lot of templates. And of course, position is here as well. You can put it to back, or put it, let me bring this thing here, and then let's say I just want to put it to back. Also put it to back. You can see that the picture has now returned to back, just the way we used to do our design. So you can do whatever you want to do here. That's what I'm trying to explain. Now you can animate this by putting here. You can apply a mask. Let's say you want this picture to be in a mask, and that is what I like so much, because Canva actually lack this direct to, you have to struggle before you put it on the mask. But this one, with this thing highlighted, I can just click on circle, and this video has been put on the circle. All I have to do is just to rearrange it properly. Are you seeing? So if I want to put it here, I'll put it on here, put it on here, just like that. Very, very sweet. You can see more effect here. You can see, you can increase, you can blur this, you can blur the picture, you can do whatever you want to do. You put it on this, you can see, very sweet. I love this so much. You can see there, it's free. It's free actually, and I've not even seen a button where they say you can upgrade for now. So you can see it can name your design here, and then undo, redo, flip, and all of this. Then if you want to download, click on download, and then click on this icon here. You want to download it as PNG, PDF, SVG, which is their normal this thing, and you can download all of them. If you want to download a video as MP4, you can go ahead and download it. So this is one of the websites I usually use to replace Canva. It's actually one of the best websites. You can access it from phone, from laptop, and tablet. Thank you so much for staying from beginning to the end. Please kindly help me subscribe to the channel and like this video. I'll see you in the next one.